Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Toyota Crown Signia Performance Review. The Toyota Crown Signia is the epitome of luxury, performance, and innovation. Designed for those who seek the perfect balance of sophistication and power, this SUV stands as a bold statement of excellence. Every detail is crafted with precision, from its striking exterior design to its meticulously refined interior. Whether cruising through city streets or embarking on a long journey, the Crown Signia ensures that every moment behind the wheel is extraordinary. From the moment you lay eyes on the Crown Signia, its commanding presence captivates. The bold front grille, seamlessly integrated LED lighting, and sculpted lines create a stunning visual appeal. The aerodynamic design enhances both aesthetics and efficiency, while chrome accents add a touch of modern elegance. The signature alloy wheels complement the dynamic stance, making the Crown Signia a true masterpiece of automotive craftsmanship. As you step inside, you are immersed in a world of premium luxury. Every surface is designed with comfort and sophistication in mind, featuring high-quality materials such as leather upholstery, soft touch panels, and intricate stitching. The spacious cabin offers exceptional legroom, providing first-class comfort for both driver and passengers. A panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light, enhancing the feeling of openness and tranquility. The ambient lighting adds to the sophisticated atmosphere, making every drive a truly indulgent experience. At the heart of the Crown Signia lies a suite of advanced technology that redefines convenience and connectivity. The high-definition touchscreen infotainment system offers seamless smartphone integration, allowing effortless access to navigation, entertainment, and hands-free communication. A premium audio system delivers immersive sound quality, ensuring that your favorite music or podcasts sound better than ever. The fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving data, keeping you informed with just a glance. With voice recognition and AI-powered features, controlling your vehicle has never been easier. Safety is paramount in the Toyota Crown Signia. Equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, this SUV offers a comprehensive suite of intelligent driver assistance technologies. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring work together to provide a secure and confident driving experience. The 360-degree camera system enhances visibility, making parking and maneuvering effortless. Every drive is backed by advanced safety innovations, ensuring peace of mind for you and your passengers. Under the hood, the Toyota Crown Signia is powered by an advanced hybrid powertrain that delivers both efficiency and exhilarating performance. The combination of a responsive gasoline engine and an electric motor provides seamless acceleration, instant torque, and remarkable fuel efficiency. Whether you prefer a smooth, eco-friendly drive or a dynamic, performance-focused experience, the Crown Signia adapts to your needs with multiple driving modes. The regenerative braking system maximizes energy efficiency, further enhancing the vehicle's eco-friendly capabilities. With an intelligent all-wheel drive system, the Crown Signia offers superior handling and stability in all road conditions. Whether navigating wet, snowy, or uneven terrain, the vehicle's advanced traction control ensures optimal grip and performance. The finely tuned suspension system absorbs road imperfections, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. With precision steering and responsive braking, the Crown Signia delivers an exceptional driving experience that is both powerful and refined. Versatility is another key aspect of the Crown Signia's design. The spacious cargo area provides ample storage capacity for luggage, groceries, or outdoor gear. The power liftgate allows effortless access, while the adjustable rear seats offer flexibility to accommodate various passenger and cargo configurations. Whether heading out for a weekend getaway or tackling daily errands, the Crown Signia is built to adapt to your lifestyle with ease. Toyota's commitment to sustainability is reflected in the Crown Signia's eco-friendly design. The hybrid system not only reduces fuel consumption but also lowers emissions, contributing to a cleaner environment. The vehicle incorporates sustainable materials and energy-efficient components, aligning with Toyota's vision for a greener future. By driving the Crown Signia, you embrace innovation that benefits both you and the planet. Durability and reliability are at the core of every Toyota vehicle, and the Crown Signia is no exception. Built with Toyota's legendary quality standards, this SUV undergoes rigorous testing to ensure longevity and performance. Every component is engineered for durability, providing confidence and peace of mind with every drive. Backed by Toyota's reputation for reliability and a comprehensive warranty, the Crown Signia is an investment in long-term excellence. The Toyota Crown Signia is more than just a luxury SUV, it's a statement of prestige and innovation. Designed for those who demand the best, it offers a driving experience that blends elegance, power, and cutting-edge technology. Whether navigating urban streets or exploring new horizons, the Crown Signia ensures that every journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Owning a Crown Signia is about embracing a lifestyle of sophistication and forward-thinking innovation. Every element, from the intuitive technology to the handcrafted interior, is designed to exceed expectations. Toyota has reimagined what a modern SUV can be, combining tradition with progress to create a vehicle that stands apart from the rest. Experience the Toyota Crown Signia today and discover a new era of automotive luxury and performance. The road ahead has never been more exciting. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.